In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed widgets and custom code on a Notion website. To start this process, the first step involves accessing your Notion workspace. This is the hub for all your wiki, docs, and project activities. Head over to your web browser and navigate to Notion's official website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. If you're not already signed in, just enter your credentials and proceed. Next, direct your attention to the Notion home. This page is essentially your dashboard. It's where everything begins. Here you can either select an existing page or create a new one, depending on where you'd like to add your widgets or custom code. For the sake of this example, let's choose an existing page that you're currently working on. Click on the page to open it up. Now that you're inside your chosen page, we'll move on to the exciting part: embedding. To embed a widget or custom code, you'll need to leverage one of Notion's handy features, the Embed command. Simply press the / key on your keyboard, followed by the word Embed. At this point, Notion will provide you with a variety of options to choose from. This nifty feature allows you to insert external content such as PDFs, Google Maps, videos, or any other content from an embed link. Once you type in the command, you will see an input field appear. It's into this field that you should paste the embed link or the custom HTML code provided by your widget or application service. Make sure you've copied this from the widget or service you're integrating. Paste it into the field and watch as Notion seamlessly integrates that external content into your page. It's pretty magical, isn't it? And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully embedded a widget or custom code on your Notion page. This feature can dramatically enhance the functionality and visual appeal of your pages, making them not only more interactive, but also richer in content. Before we wrap up, here's a useful tip. Always double-check that the service or widget you want to embed is supported by Notion for seamless integration. This way, you avoid encountering any annoying errors or glitches. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful as you navigate through making the most of Notion's capabilities. It's truly a powerful tool when used to its full potential. Thanks for following along, and happy embedding!